If you are wondering if we can find the 3.5mm headphone jack on the Realme GT 7T, then the answer is unfortunately no. Usually, if the headphone jack input is included, we can find it either at the bottom of the phone or at the top of it. However, in this case, as you can see, there is no 3.5mm headphone input. So in that case, if you want to connect wired headphones, if you have USB-C cable, then of course you can easily just connect your phone to the charging port that we have at the bottom of the phone. However, if your cable looks like this, then in that case we also need to use an adapter. For example, this one over here. Essentially, we want to convert the headphone jack into USB-C so that we can connect our wired headphones, that is, to the phone. So it looks like this. We connect it to the adapter, and then of course we connect it to the USB-C port that we have at the bottom. So this is how we can use wired headphones on this phone. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.